Welcome back to AM Northwest. Our next guest changes lives every day by giving his patients their smiles back. Here to tell us about the all-new Lampee Rejuvenation, we welcome back Dr. Heath Lampee. Good to see you.
Thank you, Helen.
So
Appreciate it.
Talk about this. What is this whole approach?
So I've been a dentist now for over 9 years, and I've figured out over time what my patients need. And really, a lot of dentists only look at things in the small term, the short term, and tooth by tooth. But we take a holistic approach. We want to figure out how your health and your smile can be improved by redoing your mouth. And a lot of people need the Lampee Rejuvenation.
And is that what you're saying, is the whole rejuvenation refers to the entire outlook?
That's right.
Okay.
So a lot of my patients, they come in, they haven't been into to a dentist in 10, 20 years, and they need a lot of work.
Right.
They can't hide, they hide their smile.
You want them to smile confidently again, right?
Absolutely. Not only do I want them to smile confidently again, I also want their health to improve too, because a lot of dental decay, disease affects the rest of the body. And so the Lampee Rejuvenation can remove the disease, make the teeth healthier again. Your smile's better, you feel better. A lot of my patients, when they're done with their rejuvenation, they need less medications. They sleep better at night. They have less headaches.
How do they need less medications after getting their teeth done?
Well, I'll give you an example. Some of my diabetic patients, they have a very bad gum disease or tooth decay. When we take out the bacteria in the mouth that are causing the infection, it actually helps their diabetes get better.
Really?
I see this with some of my blood pressure medication patients as well. They feel better. All the infection is gone from their mouth, so their body doesn't have to fight it anymore. You
have a patient, Aki. Tell me about him.
Aki came in about 5 months ago. It had been a long time since he had been to the dentist. He really didn't even want to leave his house anymore. That's how embarrassed he was about his smile. He didn't feel well. He slept all the time. And so he came in, and we basically did the Lampee Rejuvenation for him. We figured out what his options were. We decided that the teeth weren't good enough to be saved long term. They needed to come out. So we started with a blank canvas. We took the teeth out. We put implants in and gave him our new set of snap-in implant dentures that are very solid and secure in there. And over the course of 4 months, as everything healed, we saw a big change in Aki. He lost weight.
Wow.
And when we...
Because he's feeling better about himself, right?
He's feeling amazing. And so 4 months later, when we did our before and after photos, he looks like a whole different person.
It's incredible. The change
you can't even
really
really tell that's the same guy, but that's 4 months later. And basically, by just removing the dental infection, giving him a new set of teeth in there that's healthy, it's changed his entire outlook and entire health.
And I know you talk about you take on fewer patients so that you can spend more time with each patient.
That's right. That's part of the Lampee Rejuvenation.
Or is it to give you those Fridays off?
we work hard for 4 days and then we rest.
Gotcha.
Another part of me is I love the work-life balance. That is really important. So, but with Aki, by removing all that infection, we totally changed his life. And repeat your last question, though.
Oh, I was just teasing you about you have fewer patients to focus on each person.
So fewer patients. My goal is to see as few patients in a day as possible so that we have the time to do these rejuvenations.
Right.
A lot of my patients, they don't know what their options are. They're scared. And so we need to take our time. And there is some hand-holding. And that's what we're here for, to make sure that our patients know it's all right and they know that we're going to see them through this. And at the end result, 4 months later for Aki, you may be a totally different man or woman.
Right. Fantastic. Well, tell folks if they'd like to find out more about Sleep Dentistry Defined, 503-646-2273. We'll put that information for you on our website, k2.com. Thank you.
Thank you so much.